Most of us have sat through meetings that didn't need to be meetings. A 5-minute update turns into a 30-minute call, and the workday keeps shrinking. So it's not surprising that more and more teams are moving their explanations, walkthroughs, and updates to async formats. 21% of teams now rely on recorded clips or project tools for async work. AI screen recorders make this easier by letting you record ideas, instructions, and updates once and share them everywhere. So if you're exploring AI screen recorders this year, here are 5 of the best ones worth trying. First on our list is ClickUp, the world's first converged AI workspace. Most of us know of ClickUp as a project management tool, and if your team already works inside ClickUp, Clips makes screen recording feel like part of your workflow instead of another separate tool to manage. You can use Clips to record your screen, talk through decisions, and share updates without leaving your workspace. Every clip gets an instant AI transcript. You can scan highlights, jump to timestamp sections, and copy any line for quick sharing. Want to find information from a clip even more quickly? Try ClickUp Brain, the contextual AI layer that understands your workspace, and that can answer questions about your clip in plain English. So instead of re-watching long videos, you can just ask, what were the action items, or what did we decide here? Unlike most standalone screen recorders, with ClickUp, you also get an AI Notetaker for recording meetings, so spoken decisions turn into written notes and are logged as ClickUp tasks automatically. All your videos stay organized in one window inside the Clips hub, making it easy to find and reuse recordings anytime. And if something needs actioning, you can turn any clip into a task with one click. Next on this list is Loom, a go-to screen recorder for fast, simple video messages. You can record your screen and camera together, which is great for walkthroughs, explainers, and quick context. Sharing is instant. Just record and send a link. No downloads needed. It's popular across teams for async updates. A subtle limitation is that Loom's editing features are fairly basic. Then, on number 3, we have Snagit, which is great if you want the ability to capture both screenshots and screen recordings in the same tool. It's perfect for walkthroughs because you can record, trim, and annotate your videos. And you can edit text inside your screenshots thanks to Snagit's text recognition. It's ideal for heavy tutorials, documentation, and IT explanations where you need to add more context. Just note that Snagit has fewer AI features compared to some of the newer tools. Now, tool number 4. Vidyard is a strong option for business teams, especially sales and marketing. You can record your screen, webcam, or both, and keep speaker notes visible while recording. Vidyard also gives you analytics like views, watch time, and notifications. This is great when you want to differentiate cold leads from warm and see where your outreach efforts are more likely to pay off. And recently, they also added AI avatars and AI-generated sales pitches for teams that send a lot of outbound videos. All of these features make it a good choice for sending polished business videos, though one of its limitations is that the strongest AI features are mostly focused on sales use cases. And then we have Camtasia, which is ideal if you need recording and advanced editing in the same place. With Camtasia, you get noise reduction, audio leveling, and AI-powered editing assistance. Camtasia also supports transitions, annotations, and effects that make your videos look extremely professional. It's perfect for creating sharp tutorials, training, and educational videos that need structure. Just note that Camtasia can be heavy and slow to run on older devices. And those were our picks for the 5 AI screen recorders worth trying. From simple recorders to advanced sales tools, this list has something for everyone. But if you want to have easy access to screen recording, transcriptions, AI, and the ability to manage your recordings in one place, ClickUp has everything already built in. Get ClickUp today for free at the link in the description.